Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, what happened? Where'd it go? Have I been hacked? Only to realize a bunch of small purchases have added up to breaking the balance. This week, we'll unpack the 7 steps to save money and speed up your journey to your money goals. I'm Dan, your money coach, and this is Dad's Wallet, where we save you money and build you lasting wealth. I've got the secret to improving your chance of success by 42%. Who hasn't set a New Year's resolution that failed after a couple of weeks? That's why we set SMART goals. They're specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. We work with you to set smart money goals that actually work. Resolutions are garbage. SMART goals can change your life. Picture this. You just got back from a vacation and you're gritting your teeth wondering about the damage done. Why does spending money have to be damaged, a hole, or breaking the bank? Tracking your cash flow is liberating. Having a budget gives you permission to spend. Take the guesswork out of money and eliminate unnecessary stress with a tailored plan. More money, more problems. Most of us wish that was our problem, but if you don't have a plan for every dollar, you're going to experience waste. When you put every dollar to work for you, you'll maximize your goals. Smart money beats fast money every time. You need a plan for every one of the dollars that you bring in every day, week, month, and year. Take a second to like this video, subscribe to our feeds, and get on this money journey with us to build lasting wealth. There's a battle going on inside your wallet. It's the needs versus the wants, and guess which one is winning? Here's the number one way to turn things around. You're going to need to take your emotion out of the ring. 3 words: automate your paycheck. You're going to have your retirement and savings automatically transferred out before it ever hits your bank account. This is going to keep your wants under your needs and your goals in your sights. Let's eliminate burnout. Every marathon is just 460 football field sprints. Worst advice ever. If you're going to tackle a marathon by sprinting 460 times, you'll never make it. Your big money goal is a marathon, and you're going to need to pace yourself to get there. Here are 3 steps. Daily, check alerts on irregular income and expenses, any kind of fraud or accidental overspending. Weekly, review all your transactions in categories. And each month, adjust your goals and the amounts so you stay on track for your big picture money journey. Now get out there and do it. Stop. Don't try this at home. Don't try this alone. It's lonely out there, but it doesn't have to be for you. You're on a money journey, and if you feel like you're doing this alone, this is for you. We all need someone to celebrate the wins and push through the losses with. If you're married, that needs to be your spouse. If you're single, get a friend or family member to go through our steps with you and keep you accountable. Daily, weekly, monthly. If you want to win on your money journey, don't go alone. Now share this video with your spouse or a friend to move closer to achieving your money goal right now. We don't have any paid content or ads, but sharing this video with someone you think would benefit will be an amazing way to let me know you found some value. Comment below on more money milestones you'd like some tips on.